Lesson number 7, birth, and put today's date on it. Date written. And I had
Yes,
already given you the introduction of it. It's about a Dr. Andrew Mason who just had got graduated out of the medical school, and the newly graduated medical practitioner, he helped in bringing Joe and Suzanne's child into this world, and he goes through a very tough time, okay, though with his girlfriend, but as it was an emergency, so he goes and helps Suzanne to deliver a child. The child was born lifeless, okay, but anyway he puts his efforts. He remembers how a child could be brought into life once a child is lifeless. He remembered all that was taught to him, or the cases that might have happened with him, or he might have heard. So he remembers it, and he tries to bring that child to life, and finally he succeeds. It's a nice chapter. Should we begin, Beta?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Date written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, though it was nearly midnight when Andrew reached Brangover. Brangover is the name of a place, okay? He found Joe Morgan waiting for him, walking up and down with short steps between the closed surgery and the entrance to the house. At the sight of him, the burly driller's face expressed relief. Now it was nearly midnight, and Andrew, he reaches Bryngover, the place where he lives, and he found Joe Morgan, one person, he was waiting for him, and he was just walking up and down, okay? And he was taking short steps, and he was walking up and down before, between the closed surgery. Surgery, is a place, where the doctors or the medical practitioners, they treat or they advise his parents. Right? 1 minute, beta. And this Joe Morgan, he was just walking up and down, okay, between the space that was there, clinic जिसको बोल सकते हैं, between the clinic and the entrance of the house. And as soon as Joe, he sees the doctor, the Andrew, this doctor, his face, it expressed relief. Burly, burly means strong and heavy. ठीक है? समझ में आया फर्स्ट पहला?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, अब देखो डॉक्टर को देखते ही व्हाट डज ही से? Doctor, I'm glad to see you. I've been back and forward here this last and when he sees the doctor, he says, yes, doctor, I'm very happy to see you. Here I had been walking up and down for the last 1 hour, and I had been waiting for you. The missus wants you before time. Mrs. means his wife, before time. He wants to say that she's about to deliver a child, and that is before time, okay? So she wants to see you, means you need to come. Andrew abruptly recalled from the contemplation of his own affairs. Now, when this Joe Morgan, he talks to him, Andrew, he was already lost in his thought. Actually, he had a fight with his girlfriend. There was some dispute with his girlfriend. So he was very much disturbed. And he was thinking about his relations with the girlfriend and about the dispute they had. So mentally disturbed he was, right? So he just recall he came back from the contemplation of his own affairs, means from his own thoughts. He just came out एकदम से, है ना, वो अपने विचारों से बाहर आता है. And he asked Joe Morgan to wait. He went into the house for his bag. Then together they set out for number 12, Blenner Terrace. Underline it, the place where Joe Morgan was living. Written? Underlined, beta? So now the doctor asked Joe Morgan to wait, and he goes inside, brings out his bag, comes out, and both of them proceeded towards number 12, Blaine Terrace. The night air was cool and deep with quiet mystery, usually so perspective. Andrew now felt dull and listless. He had no premonition that this night call would prove unusual, still less that it would influence his whole future in Blanley. Now, see what happens. They both proceeded towards Blaney Terrace, and when they were going, uh, the writer says it was a very cool night, and the streets, they were very silent. Why? Because it was already midnight, and silence, that made it mysterious, right? Now, Andrew, he was full of life and spirit, and uh, was silent, and he lacked energy right now. वैसे तो full of energy रहता था, लेकिन अब you know बहुत उसकी energy कम थी. क्यों? क्योंकि he had a quarrel with his girlfriend, and उसको कहीं पर भी premonition नहीं था, means he did not have this strong feeling, है ना? कहीं भी ये intuition नहीं था कि today something is about to happen, right? और ये जो नाइट कॉल है ये बड़ा अनयूजुअल प्रूव होगा, इसका उसे बिल्कुल भी आभास नहीं था. गॉट इट? एंड ऐसा कुछ होगा that is going to change his future in Blanley. Blanley, the place where they were living, means the city. Okay. Now, two of the men, Joe and Andrew, they were walking in silence until they reached the door of number 12. Then Joe drew up short. I'll not come in. Drew up short means he just waited outside and he refused to enter. He says, I'll not come in, and his voice showed signs of strain, but man, I know you will do well for us. Right? When they reached there, Joe Morgan, he stopped outside. He did not have any intention of getting in the house, coming inside the house, and uh, but he says that yes, he had full confidence in Dr. Andrews. ओके. अब जो की आवाज जो थी दैट वाज अंडर प्रेशर, है ना, काफी टेंस थी. तो कहता आई नो यू आर गोइंग टू डू वेल फॉर अस. क्लियर अप टिल हियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, inside a narrow stair led up to a small bedroom, clean but poorly furnished and lit only by an oil lamp. Now, this is the physical appearance of the school. Inside, a narrow stair was there that was leading up to the bedroom. Okay, and the bedroom, it was quite small. It was clean, okay, but it was poorly furnished, means it did not have any good furniture also, and only an oil lamp was lightening there. Got it? समझ में आया? नैरो स्टेयर थी जो बेडरूम में जा रही थी, और अंदर द बेडरूम वाज क्वाइट क्लीन बट no proper furniture was there, or only an oil lamp was lighting up there. Here Mrs. Morgan's mother, a tall gray-haired woman of nearly 70, and the stout, means strongly built, elderly midwife waited beside the patient, watching Andrew's expression as he moved about the room. Now remember who was there in the room. Mrs. Morgan means Susan Morgan, Joe's wife. She was lying on the bed, and Mrs. Morgan's mother was there, who was a tall woman, gray haired woman, and she was of nearly 70 years old. And beside her, a stout, means strongly built, elderly midwife was there. Okay. Midwife मालूम है ना, जो बड़ा ट्रेन करा जाता है, nurses type ना, that assist women in giving childbirth. Okay. So wo she was standing there, and both of them, they all looked at Andrew's expressions, Dr. Andrew's expressions as he entered inside. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me make you a cup of tea, Dr. Beck, said the former quickly after a few steps. Okay, after a few moments. Andrew smiled faintly. He saw that the old woman, wise and experienced, realized there must be a period of waiting. that she was afraid he would leave the case, saying he would return later. Don't fret, mother, I'll not run away. Now see, as he enters, Mrs. Morgan's mother, she says to doctor to uh, offer, she means tries to offer a cup of tea for the doctor. And when she tries to offer a cup of tea for the doctor smiles, because Andrew, he understood very well that the old woman, she was very sensitive, very clever, and quite experienced. And she knew very well that there was some time for the woman to give, for the woman means for Mrs. Morgan, Susan Morgan, to give birth to the child. So meanwhile, ऐसा नहीं हो कि the doctor might return back saying that he would return after some time. So to stop the doctor, then only she offered him a cup of tea. समझ में आया? बच्चों आया समझ में? नहीं आया किसी को?
Yes.
तो क्या सब क्या डंप हो गए क्या? हैं? English and Hindi both I am explaining, na? And then the doctor tells her rather not to be afraid, as he'll not go away from there. Okay, डॉक्टर उसको कन्विंस कर देते हैं मिसेस मॉर्गन की मदर को, डरो डरो नहीं, है ना, आप डरो नहीं, मैं यहाँ से नहीं जाने वाला, आई विल बी हियर. Down in the kitchen, he drank the tea which she gave him overwrought. Overwrought means tired, Write down the meanings as well. He knew he could not snatch even an hour's sleep if he went home. Now, see, in the kitchen, he was sitting, the doctor was sitting, and he was having the tea. He was very tired. And he knew very well that he could not even take out an hour's sleep in case if he returns back to his home, then too. He won't be able to take an hour's sleep. Why? Because the condition of the woman was critical and she might give birth to the child any time. He knew too that the case here would demand all his attention. Yes, he knew very well that the case, it demands doctor's attention. So therefore he could not move out and take an hour's sleep also. A poor lethargy of spirits came upon him. Lethargy of spirit is lack of energy. Okay. Enthusiasm means no energy was there in him. He decided to remain until everything was over. So he decides that jab tak everything will not be over, the woman does not give birth to a child, he will be staying there. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Who was the doctor, Joe or Andrew? Who was the doctor, Joe or Andrew?
Andrew.
Andrew was the doctor. Okay. So when he returned to his home, whom did he see? What did he find there? What did he find there? What did he find there, beta? When he returns to his home, what did he find?
Joe Morgan waiting for him.
Yes, very good. Joe Morgan was waiting for him. Okay, he was pacing up and down, he was moving up and down, and he was just waiting for him. Why was Joe Morgan waiting for him? Why was Joe Morgan waiting for him? Yes, so many students, none are able to answer. Nobody? Why was Joe Morgan waiting for him?
Because his wife is pregnant.
And she's about to deliver a child. right? This was the reason.
Yes,
It was an emergency case. Yes, Manav Gidwani. What answer was given by the doctor to Joe Morgan? Yes, Manav.
Yes, ma'am.
You did not listen to my question. You did not listen to my question.
मैम एक बार रिपीट करना.
Why should I repeat? Repeat karna, you're ordering me to repeat.
No, ma'am.
Then twice or thrice I repeated it. Where are you physically? You don't have to be present. The most necessary thing is mentally you should be present. Sanyukta? Yes, Sanyukta.
Yes, ma'am.
What question had I put up right now? Yes, hurry up. होश ही नहीं है, इनको ध्यान ही नहीं है कि मैम ने क्वेश्चन क्या पुटअप करा है. क्लास क्यों अटेंड कर रहे हो आप? पढ़ने के लिए जो हम बिल्कुल ही नहीं पढ़ते बेटा. आराम करिए. यस भवानी सिंह. यस भवानी. पहले तो you keep on repeating, just keep on calling. They are not able to hear. They are not able to listen. आराम करो आप भी. नीलम मीना. Who's नीलम मीना? Yes. नीलम मीना.
Yes, ma'am.
You're Neelam, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you listen to the question? You did not listen because from your voice I can make out very well. क्या कर रहे हैं हम? सुन नहीं रहे हैं तो क्या कर रहे हैं हम? हमने क्यों ज्वाइन करा हुआ है? हैं? क्लास किस लिए ज्वाइन करी है? चलिए रेस्ट करिए आप भी. Rhythm. Yes, Rhythm.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What was the question?
Ma'am, you asked that the question that doctor said from the John Warden. Oh, मतलब John Warden.
Joe Morgan को क्या बोला? What did the doctor say when he says my missus wants to see you? His missus wanted to see him. What reply was given by Andrew? That he'll not come? Or he asked him
No,
to
ma'am, he
move
said
and
that I will
he'll
come
come
there.
later on? Yes, beta.
He said that I will come there.
He said so.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Sonali?
ma'am, he said Morgan to wait.
Very good. He told Joe Morgan to wait. Why, beta? Why? What was the reason?
Because
Yes.
he went into the house for his bag.
Because he had to go inside the house and bring the doctor's bag, you know, that contained all the instruments and all, right? That were required by a doctor. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now अब online class वही बच्चा attend करेगा who answers me, otherwise I'll not permit you to attend or permanently I'll remove you people.
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे भीड़ इसलिए नहीं चाहिए कि आपको जवाब देना नहीं आता, आप कुछ समझ नहीं रहे. And now this I have decided I'll not repeat any of the chapters in the offline classes. I'll not repeat. How many times to repeat? You people are not attentive. Why to put our own efforts? Why the teachers will put efforts if you are not interested then?